guys, mag-get ready ako para mag-skate. So, may condition ako. I-challenge ko yung sarili ko na mag-English. And guys. 3, 2, 1, go. So guys, get ready with me to skate. Yeah. Let's go to the mirror. Let's fix my hair because my hair is not so ugly. So let's try to fix. This is the oil to make my hair straight, little straight, not like this. Like, I don't know how. So guys, let's gonna brush my hair to make straight and beautiful. Little beautiful because my hair is so ugly because I'm so curly. My hair is curly. It's not straight. But that's okay. But see, from this to this, look how it's so pretty like this. See, and the side, I got bunks into this side, guys. Yeah. My hair is so curly. Let's gonna try to fix it. Like this, guys. This I want to fix my hair. See? So let's skate. So let's get my skate. This is my skate. And let's get this one. And I got this sock. Wait lang guys, I'm gonna wearing a sock. So guys, I'm gonna wearing these socks. We're gonna update you guys when I'm wearing these socks. Yeah. So I'm already wearing my sock. Look at this. Now guys, I'm gonna wearing today like this roller skate. Yeah. Just watching me guys. Please like and subscribe in YouTube guys. To make my subscribe is so good, and I'm done to this side guys. This is one that I want. So this side naman. This side guys. This side. Sorry to my English because I'm not English era. So I'm sorry guys. I just want to challenge myself to English speaking. Guys, I'm sorry to my English. If you don't listen to me and understand to my English, I'm sorry guys. I'm not English era. Okay. And I'm done to wearing. So let's skate. I'm gonna go outside because my house is so little and this is more space. Let's go guys. Ito na guys, nag-skate na ako guys. Ayan guys, di ko na pala kayo matuturuan mag-skate kasi hindi ko na to ano to. So, di na ako nag-English, guys. Hayaan nyo na yon. So guys, di na pala ako mag-i-English ngayon. Pagod na ako magka-English ng English. So guys, pumasok na ako sa loob. Dito naman ako mag-skate. So yun lang guys. Bye! Make sure to subscribe and like to my account, guys. I'm new to this YouTube, guys. I'm new. I just want to vlog you because I like to like viral. So thank you, guys. Bye bye.